To make a gorgeous ripple edge on your granny square, this could be an item of clothing or a blanket, what you're going to do is you're going to chain 4. And the first of these is going to act as a single crochet. Then you're going to make a slip stitch, then chain 6, another slip stitch into the same chain space, chain 3, 2, 3, and you're going to make a single crochet into the chain space, closing that little group, that little ripple. What you're going to do next is you're going to make a single crochet into the middle chain of that cluster. That's the little V shape there. We're going to put the hook under there and make our single crochet. Next, we're going to make a single crochet in the chain space, beginning our next ripple. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, slip stitch again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then making a single crochet, closing this little ripple group. Then we're going to make a single crochet into the middle of the cluster, that chain there, then a single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 6, slip stitch, chain 3, and a single crochet to close this little group of ripples here. And then in the middle chain of the cluster there, we're going to make our single crochet. And let's look at what we've done. We've got these gorgeous little ripples appearing, one in the corner and 2 on the side there. We're going to continue this all the way around the edge of our granny square, and you can do this on an item of clothing or a blanket. Hope you enjoy using the stitch.